everyone, welcome to TV Mall, where we want to bring you quality for your hard-earned cash. And today we're taking a look at the Balzano Crystal 11-piece cookware set, and it is just beautiful. Look at that style. This will definitely bring some elegance to your home and help you cook up a storm for your family and friends. Now, it's going for the low price of only 2,499 Rand. An 11-piece cookware set. You will not get it anywhere else for that price. You are buying quality with that 2,499 Rand. Give us a call right now on 0861 000 173 or go to our website tvmall.co.za and you can take a better look at it online and order right there for your convenience. Let me take you through what we actually have in this cookware set so that you know what you are buying with that 2,499 Rand. First of all, we have got a 28 centimeter casserole pot. Now, this is amazing for big family events, making that soup that you want to make. It's big enough to feed the entire family. Then we move on to your 24 centimeter casserole pot. As if the 28 wasn't big enough, we are giving you a 24 centimeter with that to make sure that you have got that extra space for the family coming over. We also have the 20 centimeter casserole pot, so introducing some smaller sizes so you can have some variants. If you have a smaller family, this will definitely be that casserole pot for you. We've also got a 14 centimeter saucepan. Now, we all know how they come in handy. We all want to make a nice sauce for our food, and this is definitely where you'll make that. We've also got, now my favorite, the 32 centimeter double fry pan. This is not only beautiful, but it's very easy to use in your kitchen and it'll come in handy. It's also got a magnetic clasp at the handle. So if you do turn it around, you don't need to worry about your food spilling out. Then we also have your 24 centimeter frying pan. So this is your general frying pan that you use for your eggs, bacon, or whatever you would see fit. And then just to make sure that you have got enough space and that you've got enough depth for your frying pan, the 28 centimeter deep frying pan. So this is everything that you will be getting in that whole cookware set. But just in case you were wondering, you have lids for all of them, I promise you. Your 28 centimeter can fit perfectly on both your casserole and your deep frying pot. And also your 24 centimeter will fit perfectly on your casserole and your frying pan. Now, while you are getting better acquainted with the Balzano name, let me check on Chef Bonolo in the kitchen to see what's cooking. So, Chef Bonolo, what have you been cooking for us in the kitchen today?
As you can see, I've been very busy. Now, this lovely cookware set is actually inspiring me to try different things.
Definitely.
Now, I've got a little bit of soup going over there. I've got some rice that I've jeweled, and I've got a little bit of a surprise in here for you that you will see a little bit later.
Okay, great. So this is the Balzano Crystal 11-piece cookware set, and it's going for 2,499 Rand. Now, this is an amazing price here at TV Mall for quality cookware that's going to last you a long time, and it looks absolutely amazing.
It looks very good, but you know, whenever you see things that are they look too good,
Yes.
you become worried about how functional they actually are. But this particular set is not for you to worry about at all, because not only does it look pretty, but it comes jam-packed with all of this lovely cooking technology that's going to ensure that you definitely become a better cook than what you are currently.
Okay, so you're going to take us through what this technology is that will actually make us that great cook.
So the main thing that I want us to be looking at today, specifically on this show, is the non-stick technology. Okay. Now, there are a lot of cookware sets that promise you non-stick technology, and then you become a little bit surprised somewhere down the line. And that's the reason why I want us to focus specifically on this one, because it is one of those things that actually becomes a decider of whether you want to buy a certain cookware set or not.
Definitely. Quality, quality, quality. That's what we look for when we look for cookware, because it's something that you're going to have to use for a long time.
Yes.
You can't buy cookware every month. It's not groceries.
And the other thing, Stephanie, is it's not something that you can treat like the food that goes into it.
Definitely.
You have to think, you know, how does it finish my look? And how is it good to present? Does it look good? Does it allow me to be able to cook the way I want? And is it made of materials that are good for my family? Because if you think about it, there's a lot of cookware out there that promises so much, but doesn't really deliver. And even if it did, it's not safe to use the materials that it's been made out of. So this crystal set is actually made of die-cast aluminium. So we are not talking about a whole lot of materials that are in here. And we are also not worrying about the type of acids that we would normally worry about when you are referring to materials or pot or cookware sets that are made of actual material. And the non-stick is one of those things that normally becomes a problem. Now, as you can see, I've got a pan over here that I'm just using to just heat up some cheese, and I'm also got one of the crystal sets, just the one pan, to also show you that you're going to be able to remove the cheese much easier here than you'll be able to do in that one other one.
I want to see this because it looks like it's becoming a real sticky situation in the kitchen at the moment.
It normally goes that way.
Well, we have got the amazing Balzano Crystal 11-piece cookware set going for 2,499 Rand here at TV Mall. So this is the amazing cookware that you're going to get from Balzano. They speak of quality and elegance in the kitchen.
And as you can see, it is very elegant. It is quality. So die-cast aluminium is very strong. It's a very strong material, so it's going to be durable and it's going to last you very long. And the fact that the non-stick on the inside is not made of a material that actually comes off means that you don't have to stress about it being in your food. So acids such as PFOA will rise from the inside of your pot. So whenever you're cooking something, you're going to know for a fact that they will have given a little bit of themselves into your food. But with the crystal set, you don't have to worry about that at all. Because as you can see, I've got my little, as you can see over in the graphic, and on my pan as well, we've got a little bit of a burn developing over there, and we've got the cheese going over there. But what I want you to see is how easy it's going to be able to remove, and that means it's also going to be easy for you to clean, because that's very important.
It is very important. When it comes to the kitchen, cleaning is one of those things that nobody likes to do, but it's something we all have to do. So why don't we just make it easier for you? And that's what we're saying here at TV Mall and Balzano, giving you easy, clean wear cookware. So you do not have to worry about standing in the kitchen after you've cooked for 2 hours, standing there for another hour and cleaning your pots.
And talking about cooking for 2 hours, that's the reason I've actually let the cheese go on for a bit longer than what you need, because these are the normal scenarios that take place in our kitchen. And the non-stick becomes crucially important, because that pot that you burn, no one wants to wash. And we don't want you to be in that kind of situation. And talking about the pot and the ease of cleaning, the fact that you've got a whole set that is going to allow you to be able to, whenever you're making a meal, use each and every single one of these pieces also means that you're automatically going to be cooking more.
Definitely.
So let me explain myself. So if you've got one that you're making a starch and you normally will make a curry, you've got so much more to use to make more than just one type of meal. As you can see,
And
it's
just
going
look at
to
how
make
beautiful it is.
yes, it's going to make it look very, very pretty. So if
Definitely.
you are like me and you are very superficial about how things look, you are also going to be very happy with the look and with the performance of the cookware set.
Definitely. And the look also allows you to dish up in the same cookware that you actually made the food. So that's also making cleaning up really easy for you. I just want to go through the different sizes that we have and the different things that you would use them for. So we've got casserole. We've got 3 casserole pots here.
Yes.
We've got a 28 centimeter. We've got a 24 centimeter. And then the one where the rice is in, that's your 20 centimeter casserole pot, right? Then we've also got
the saucepan.
The saucepan. The saucepan is 14 centimeter, which I think is big enough. You know, you don't always make a lot of sauce. That is perfect for making your amount of sauce for the entire family. Then we've also got your deep frying pan. Now this is a 28 centimeter. It is huge. So when you are making your dumplings or whatever for the family, it's big enough to carry all of that. And you also have a lid that fits perfectly on your 28 centimeter deep frying pan. We've also got your other frying pan that Chef Bonolo is currently
that's the one
busy
I'm
with.
using right now.
And that's your 24 centimeter.
Yes.
And you also have a lid for that, and it will fit perfectly on there. If we can just quickly show, it will fit perfectly on there, so no need to worry about that. And then we also have your double-sided,
my absolute
32
favorite.
centimeter.
My absolute favorite. So the double-sided pan is exactly that. You can either use it as one pan that closes, or you can use it as 2.
Oh, that is just beautiful.
So what you will see, if you'll just hold this for a few minutes, a few seconds for me, is that the bottom is actually a griddle pan. So in those instances where, you know, you want to just put on a little bit of a steak or a rib or even a chop, this is going to be the one that is perfect for you. And what I also want to show you, I know I am riding this non-stick thing, but it's very serious because, you know, when it comes to cleaning, I want to show you that this is how easy it's going to be for you to clean. As you can see, we've got the stir fry, we've got that lovely soy sauce running around everywhere there, but with a single wipe, you are able to then clean to ensure that you are back to normal. You are able to use it again. And as you can see, the one that Stefanie has in her hand will actually form the other half of the pan.
Yes.
So if you wanted to, you could use them separately.
Well, if you just look at the beautiful design that you actually have on this pan, it is beautiful. And I know on the other side you also have a different design. You've got a diamond design on the other side.
Yes.
So it's beautiful for you to also showcase your food on. So if you're going to that family event, or if you've got a big family event coming up and they're coming to your house, you want to have something that will also look good when you are presenting your food to the family.
Let
Thank
me
you,
just
Chef
put
Bonolo.
that in. So if you can just come back,
It's
Stefanie.
developing very nicely.
Yes. So as you can see, we are already melted. As you can see, some are performing more than others, as I'm going to show you right now. So if I move my cheese around, there you go.
This is
I
on
want you
the
to see.
non-stick crystal.
This is on our one.
Yes.
And then we've got a piece of cheese
A
burned
no
on
name.
there.
Yes.
But this is what normally happens. This is what will normally happen in the kitchen. So, you know, the capability of the non-stick coating is going to ensure that you don't have to worry about it. And what it also means is the amount of oil that you use is completely dependent on you. As you would have realized when we started with the cheese, there was actually no oil in there. So whatever oil you are seeing in here is actually resonant from the cheese itself. So that means it's going to help you to eat healthier if you are looking to change your lifestyle or even the way that you eat. That automatically means that if you are feeding your family healthier, they're going to be healthier and happier.
Well, just taking a look at this 11-piece cookware set that you are getting from Balzano for 2,499 Rand. That's an 11-piece cookware set. So get on that phone right now. Get dialing 0861 000 173 or go to our website tvmall.co.za and you can take a better look at it and order online. Myself and Chef Bonolo are just going to cook up a storm here in the kitchen. Thank you for joining us. Till next time. Cheers.
Bye-bye. It's a
She
non-stick
bought
pan.
a non-stick pan.
Yes.